Well, hello everyone. This is Coach Brenda Kelly coming to you. Today, I want to share with you for my ladies and also for men as well. I want to share with you just a little tip on skincare. So one of the things that I found in the years of living, 62 years now, I have found that it is so important that you take care of your skin. And a lot of times as we get older, our skin, you can tell that your skin gets a little ruddy. I call it ruddy. It's kind of in between a pale or like a little pale color and a dry, dark color where your skin starts to get dark. If your skin tone is a little lighter, it starts looking darker. Or if your skin tone is already dark, it may look a little extra dry and pale. So I just want to share something with you because my daughter started getting on me, Mom, you need to do a skin care regimen instead of just washing your face and putting something on, whatever I have. It could be a cream, it could be a lotion, whatever it is, I would just put it on. So I started, one of the things that I have is facial cloths, and these are it's 50 count. I get them at like TJ Maxx. You can get them at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, anywhere like that. Or you can Ulta, Sephora, any of those places. And this is a fresh face, biodegradable face cloths. And there's 50 in a box. So I start out with something a little less harsh than a regular towel. So I start out with that, a facial cloth. Also here I have Kate Somerville's soothing cleanser that I use, and there's other cleansers that you can use, but one of the things that I look at is I have an app called Yucca, and when you go to any place to look at the products, you can scan it and it'll tell you if it's 31% out of 100, if it's 93% out of 100, the higher, the better. And this one, I believe, was 100%. So I got this, and this was like, I want to say like maybe $12.99, but it is a large tube and it lasts. And all you need is just a little bit like it, like not even a dime size in your hand, just a little dot of it. And so I'm going to share that. That's my cleanser. Also, I have Sky Organics Rosewater facial mist that you can use anytime. I got this on Amazon. It was like $16, but it's a 4-ounce bottle, and you just, anytime you get dry, you can just spray and add your moisturizer or whatever you need. But this just gives you an extra boost. Next, I have this is a toner, and I also have this one, which I got from Marshall's. And this is Ginseng Essence Water, and it's a toner. And you use this after you cleanse. So you want to cleanse just to take care of blemishes or anything like that. So this is a toner. This one I use because I have these dark spots. I have it here, and I have a little patch. I went for a facial, and they told me that I have these dark spots. So this helps with that. It's 6% Mandelic acid. I got this actually, no, I didn't get it for Christmas. Actually, my daughter gave it to me before that, but it's like an exfoliate to help with this. That one as well as this one. So they go together. This one lighter is during the day, and this one is at night. So they work together to get rid of those dark spots, because a lot of times we think that this is just like a mustache or hair, and I go get it pulled off, because it starts looking bad. So that's for this. After cleansing, I use my toner, which is number 2, and then I use my serum. The serum goes on. After the serum, then I use a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer after your skincare. So that's your daily. Also, SPF, which is what the girl told me for my facial, to use the SPF of at least 40, 30, 40. I like to use the 50. The one I have is 50, and it's Super Goop. And you can get this a lot of times at TJ Maxx as well. So you put that on to protect against sun. All right, so that is what I have. And the last thing that I have is eye drops. Now for you, as you get older, your eyes start drying out. And I noticed that my eyes start looking red. And as we get older, your eyes start drying out more. So you want to, I use Refresh Tears. It's just a lubricant eye drop. And I use this. My eye doctor told me I was using it maybe once a day. She said, no, you need to use it 4 times a day. So I get up in the morning. I have it in my eyeglass case so that when I get my glasses, I automatically put them in. I put them in another time in the afternoon, put them in the evening, and put them in before I go to bed. So you will notice a difference in your eyes as you start using the eye drop. So if you're in your 50s, 60s, and you notice your eyes start getting red, you may not feel the dryness, but you will have dry eyes. So try this. All right, so that is all my skincare. So I'm gonna start out turning my water on. And I want to wet my face, and I just use my hand to do that. Just wet my face a little bit. Then I have my Kate Somerville cleanser, and like I said, really that's all you need. And it lathers up really, really good. So I'm gonna wet again, and then now I may not do this the way my daughter thinks. I think she says to use the cloth, but I do this, and sometimes my eyes get a little crusty, so just put it all over your face. I take my washcloth, one washcloth here, and you can wet that. And these towels are really, really, really nice, and they feel so good. And just wipe, clean your face. And I'm literally doing this for the first time today. I'm not doing it for the video. I'm doing it for myself. So you just use it. And always go upward when you're doing, try to go upward, because I noticed that my mouth automatically droops. I'm like, what is going on here? So, wash your face. It feels so good, so clean once you get it done. And I do it a couple times. Just let the... And also, your neck. And when you cleanse, do your neck as well. Because as you get older, you start seeing the little wrinkles. And hey, I'm 62. It is what it is. Okay, so I have this, and I cleaned my face real good. Just gonna dry my hands a little bit so I can get my toner. So here I have my toner, and just put some in your hands, you know, maybe a quarter size, and all over your face. Pay careful attention to your nose area, where you get those blemishes. And I did check as well on this one, the toner, and I think it was in the 90s as well. So you want to pull up that Yucca app if you don't have it. I went to TJ Maxx one day, and I was using my app, and a few older ladies were like, hey, what are you doing? And I start telling them, and they literally started pulling up the app right there with me. I helped them to pull up the app for themselves. And the app not only is for skincare, but you can use it for vitamins, you can use it for foods. I go in the grocery store, and it tells you if it's 20%. Sometimes it'll say 4%. And that tells you don't put it in your body. All right, so toner is done. And next, I'm going to use this day. This is the Mandelic acid. I'm going to take one of these, and it's like a toner. So I just put some here And then I rub it over the area where my skin is dark. And over also, they told me it's like my forehead. So I'm gonna rub it on there. I'm gonna put a little more on the other side of this. And just pat it on. And that's a daily thing. And then the other one I use at night. And you have to get in a habit of doing this every day. You guys, you can't do it today and then don't do it for a while. So really focus on, I'm going to do this every day. While I'm at it, I'm going to take my eye drops, which I've done. Okay. And I am an eye drop person. I don't have a problem with that. Next, I have I'm going to do my serum. And you do maybe that much. And rub it. And it goes all over. And always go upward. And not last, and it really doesn't take that long. I'm going to add a little SPF. And my moisturizer. And I just put a little here. My skin gets very dry, so I like a little extra moisturizer. And I just rub it in all over. And this feels so good. I mean, my skin literally feels, it doesn't feel dry. It feels nice and moist. Be careful around the eyes. And there we have it. It's really quick and easy. I'm just taking a little extra time. But when you know what you have to do, you just do it nice and quick. And there you have it. So that's it. That's my skincare regimen. I encourage you to really start shopping around, looking for products that will work for you. I will try to post some of the products that I use and encourage you to make that decision to take time for yourself and improve your health. This is one way. Your skin is one of the major part of your body. So you want to take care of your skin, especially as you age, 50s, 60s. I want to look good and I want to feel good. I want my skin to feel good. You can kind of, as you're going around, look at other people and you see how their skin looks, see how they're taken care. And the most important thing is drinking your water. Your water makes a difference. Thank you for coming on and being a part. And I encourage you, if you're new to this community, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can see more of what we do in midlife. All right. Have an amazing day. Take care.